Hello everyone, welcome back to OCS by Ranjan YouTube channel. प्रीवियस वीडियो रे आमे डिस्कस करथिले 2021 CPET क्वेश्चन पेपर जो माने देखि नांती प्रीवियस वीडियोटी देखि नेबे। हमर CPET रो MCA एवं कंप्यूटर साइंस रो टेस्ट सीरीज स्टार्ट होई सारी छी। डिस्क्रिप्शन रे थिबा लिंक रे जॉइन करि नेबे एवं फाउंडेशन क्लास मध्ये स्टार्ट होई सारी छी। चलंतु आज हम स्टार्ट करिबा 2022 CPET रो क्वेश्चन पेपर। So question number 1, what will be the output of the following C programming code? So here m is equal to plus plus a1 a1 is initially 2. So plus plus 1 increments a1 to 3 before assigning to m. a1 3 before assigning to m. So m becomes 3 here, a1 is equal to 3. So n is equal to a1 plus a2. a1 is now 3 and a2 is 3. n becomes 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. P is equal to a m plus plus m is equal to 3 a m is equal to a 3 which is 4. m plus plus used to current value of m3 access the array element and then increment to 4. So the output will be 3 4 3. 3 4 3, option B. Question number 2, what will be displayed when the following C code is executed? So the hello function is called with the argument 10 inside hello function. Inside hello function it returns I plus plus. I plus plus returns the current value I 10 and then increments it to 11. So the hello function returns 10. In the main function, I is assigned value returned hello 10 which is 10. Finally, printf prints the value I is 10. Option C 10. Question number 3. There was an error while compiling the following code. What could be the possible compilation error? So here the correct answer is option B. Value of P can't be printed because malloc 20 allocates 20 bytes of it. Malloc 20 allocates 20 bytes of it of memory and returns a pointer to allocated memory block. The pointer P is of type integer, but malloc returns a generic void pointer. The cast character is used to convert the void pointer to a character pointer which is fine. However, the error is line. This attempts to print the value of pointer P as an integer which is incorrect. Question number 4. Size of memory allocated for the following user defined data type when struct is replaced by option D 4. In struct, each member occupies its own memory space. So the total size would be the sum of the sizes character, integer and float. In a union, all members share the same memory location and the size of the union determined by the size of largest number in the case. In this case, the largest number is integer which is typically occupies 4 bytes. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a valid file opening mode in C programming? Option B. What is the output of the following C code? Here B is equal to plus plus A is incremented to 6 before assigned to B. A is incremented to 6 So B becomes 6 and A becomes 6. C is equal to B plus plus. B assigned to C, then C becomes 6. Then B is incremented to 6 to 7. So C is printed 6. Then C is incremented to 7. So the correct answer is option C, 7. Question number 7. What does the following algorithm do? Option C. Arrange a list of number in increasing order of values. Because this is the implementation of the bubble sort algorithm. Question number 8. What does the following C function do? This function implements the recursive definition of the factorial. If n is equal to 0, the factorial is 1. Otherwise, the fraction of n is multiplied by the fractional of n minus 1. So, the correct answer is option B. Question number 9. If x and y are two pointer values, then which of the following is a valid statement? Option D. Because it assigns the address of the pointer variable x itself to pointer x. Option D. Question number 10. What will the following C program do? Option D. Because this code calculates the sum of the digit of an integer n. It does this by repeatedly extracting the last digit using the modulo operator and adding it to the sum. Question number 11. When the infix expression A division B plus C plus D into E minus F is converted to postfix, it gives here how to convert infix to postfix. First, parenthesis, evaluate the expression within parenthesis. So E minus F becomes EF minus, then multiplication and division, A division B becomes AB division, then addition and subtraction from left to right. Then A division B becomes AB division. So AB division C plus D becomes AB division C plus D. After it becomes AB division C plus DEF minus into plus plus. This is the postfix expression. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 12. The in-order and pre-order traversal of a binary tree produces the following sequence. Option B. Question number 13. The order of time to locate of an item in a double linked list with n nodes will be option B. The height difference between the left and right subtree of any node in FEL tree is option D. Question number 15. Which traversal method would arrange the values stored in a binary search tree in ascending order? Option C. In order. Question number 16. The implementation of depth first traversal of an undirected graph will require a option A. Stack. Which data structure can provide an efficient representation of a sparse matrix in computer's memory? Option D. Stack. Question number 18. An empty circular linked list with head node has at least dash number of nodes. Option B. 1. Which of the following statement is true for an output restricted EQ? Option A. What will be the maximum number of edges in an undirected graph with 10 vertices having? Option C. 45. The The simplification of the following Boolean function using 3 variable map will be option C. 22. The processing power of a computer can be measured in terms of option D, both A and B. 23. If A is equal to 10101000 square and B is equal to 1000011 square, then A minus B using 2 base complement will be option A. The address of memory space of a computer are specified by 24 bits and 16 bits respectively. The number of words in the address space and memory space will be 24A. 25. The technique that allows the DMA controller to transfer one data word at a time, after which it must return control of the buses to the CPU, is referred option D, cycle stealing. Out of the 7 layers of OSI model, which of the following layer is not present in TCP/IP model? Option C, session layer. 27. Which of the following communication protocol best suits to connectionless communication? Option B, UDP. 28. Which of the following is not the responsibility of the physical layer? 28. C. The technique of encapsulating one data packet inside another packet while sending across a public network is known as option A, tunneling. An encrypted version of hash computed from a message is referred to as option A, digital signature. The Java function that returns the smallest whole number greater than or equal to x is option C. Which of the following is a valid Java declaration? Option C. 33. The life cycle of Java thread includes the following state. Option D, all of the above. 34. When should you use the finalize method in Java? This is the most important question. Option C, to reclaim memory space used by an object. Question number 35. If one intends a field is to be visible everywhere in the current package and also subclasses in other package, then one would use dash access modifier. Option C, protected. Question number 36. Which inheritance type is used to following class declaration? Option B, multiple inheritance. Which of the following class does not override equals method? Option B, option C. 38. Which two are valid constructor for thread? Option A. Which of the following keyword is not part of exception handling in Java? Option D, thrown. The interface in Java is a mechanism to implement dash. Option B, multiple inheritance. 41. Which of the following logical equivalence is not true? Option D. Which of the following refers to the Modus ponens? Option A. The cardinality of the power set of x is equal to 1, 2, 3 is dash. Option C, 8. Which of the following is the correct representation of the sentence some real numbers are integer? Option A. Question number 45. The S with which software can be transferred from the one platform to another is referred to as option B, portability. 46. Which of the following process model was introduced by Boehm? Option D, spiral model. Which of the following is not included in the feasibility study during a software development process? Option C, the degree of independence among software modules is called. Option B, coupling. 49. Which of the following software testing strategy is meant to test the internal structure of a software? Option A, white box testing. 50. Which of the following is not a type of software maintenance? Option D. 51. Which of the following is not a database system? Option C, Python. If you wish to obtain a third relation containing tuples that occurs in the first relation but not in the second, which relational algebraic operation will you see? Will you use? 52b, difference. For any non-trivial functional dependency, x refers to A. If x must be super key, then the relation is n dash. Option D, BCNF. Which of the following SQL command would delete all the rows from a relational table and free the space containing a table? Option C, truncate. Question number 55. If you want to undo transactions that have not already been saved to the database, which command you will prefer? Option C, rollback. Which of the following is not a file allocation method? Option A, tree-like allocation. 57. Which of the following directory structure can allow shared subdirectory and files? Option D. 58. Overlapped swapping can. Option A, increase overall swapping time. 59. Which of the following strategy would allocate the largest memory block to requesting process? Option C, host fit. 60. The basic objective of CPU scheduling is. Option C, minimize turnaround time. 61. What is the average waiting time for the following workload using non-primitive SJF scheduling? Option B, 4. 62. Which of the following is non-primitive CPU scheduling technique? Option A. How many page fault will be encountered for the memory reference setting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 using optimal page replacement technique with 4 frames per process? Option B, 5. 64. Which of the following statement is false? Option B. Which of the following disk scheduling is also known as elevator algorithm? Option C, scan. Banker's algorithm is a type of dash technique. Option A, deadlock avoidance. Which of the following can be used as synchronization tool? Option D, all of the above. Buffering, semaphore, Rendavirus. The open source of software suite LAMP refers to B, Linux, Apache, MySQL and PHP. 69. When a derived class is allowed to change the definition of its base class member function, it is referred as dash. Option C, function overriding. What is true about an abstract class? Option A, an abstract class cannot be instanted.